An update tonight on a years-long News4 Tucson investigation. An appellate court now overturning a Tucson judge's ruling to throw out a multi-million-dollar lawsuit against the University of Arizona. That lawsuit from a former student who says he endured bullying and homophobic slurs, and he was the one punished. Our chief investigative reporter, Corus Nylander, is live outside a federal court downtown with the latest on this case. Corus.
Well, Sean, this major revival of the case from the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals just came down this week. Now the former student and his attorney are preparing for their day in court.
Leg it home, Mike!
It was Michael Grabowski's dream to represent the University of Arizona track team. That dream was cut short after he faced bullying and homophobic slurs in 2017.
Very badly wronged. I've been wronged by many people.
That was Grabowski speaking with the News4 Tucson investigators back in 2019, just after filing a $10 million lawsuit against the UofA, alleging assault, discrimination, retaliation, emotional distress, and defamation. Grabowski was kicked out of the Wildcats track and field program, and his scholarship was revoked. The lawsuit states that's because he complained to coaches about being bullied and targeted with homophobic slurs. The lawsuit was thrown out last year by a federal judge in Tucson, but this week the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals ruled that it should never have been thrown out, writing, quote, "The panel held that the operative complaint sufficiently alleged that Grabowski suffered harassment on the basis of perceived sexual orientation, that he asked the university defendants to intervene, and that these defendants retaliated against him when they failed to investigate his accusations adequately. The panel therefore reversed the dismissal of Grabowski's retaliation claim and remanded for further proceedings."
I was pretty sure that if I got a reasonable court, the law was on my side.
Bill Walker is Grabowski's attorney. He believes this is a major victory, but there's plenty of work ahead.
This was awful, and the U of A administrators are going to have to come in and explain to us why they sided with people who even put on YouTube sexual discrimination against people and ruled for them instead of my client.
And I reached out to the U of A tonight. A spokesperson tells me they do not comment on pending litigation. Bill Walker tells me as far as the next steps, they're going to start taking depositions. Eventually a trial date will be set. As for Grabowski, he has since left the state to Colorado, attending a different college there. We'll keep you updated as this story progresses. Live from downtown Tucson tonight, Corus Nylander, News4 Tucson.
All right, thanks for the latest on the case, Corus.